Hey you guys, it's time for another Blending with Henry Vitamix giveaway. There's a lot to celebrate this year. The world is finally healing. And thanks to my loyal viewers, my channel just hit 40,000 subscribers with over 6.5 million views. I'm really proud of myself. Blending with Henry is a black-owned business, and I put forth a lot of effort to provide you guys the best content in the blending world with the most entertaining and original ideas. This year, Vitamix is celebrating their 100th year in business, and they released this very special cookbook in honor of it. I was fortunate enough to have my recipe included in it. Page 115, my herb-infused creamy sweet onion soup. Enough said. I teamed up with Vitamix, and I'm giving away 5 of these amazing milestone cookbooks. So if you guys would like one, here are the contest rules. To participate in the Vitamix 100th Anniversary Cookbook giveaway, you must subscribe to my YouTube channel, like me on Facebook or follow me on Instagram, and post a comment your reasons for wanting to win the Vitamix 100th Anniversary Cookbook. And you must have a valid Facebook or Instagram account and tag 3 friends on either social media account to alert them about the contest. The more entries, the better. Higher chance for you guys to win. Now the winner will be chosen randomly between Facebook and Instagram. Now a total of 5 100th anniversary cookbooks will be awarded to 5 winners between the USA and Canada. Now the contest runs from 6/11/2021 through 6/18/2021. Now the winners will be chosen and announced following the end of the contest. So best of luck, you guys. I love y'all and I appreciate you. And thanks for helping Blending with Henry become the best blending channel on YouTube.